In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Goddamn!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're ready to tackle another set of DIY projects. So in today's DIYs, I'm going to be making some really cute home decor using dollar store materials, and it's going to look like some really nice spring decor that looks like you would have purchased it, but I'm going to be making it. So if you want to see how these DIYs turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I'm starting off this project using a plastic shaped bowl from the dollar store, and it was from Valentine's Day, but I'm going to make it look a lot more neutral. And right now I'm just painting it with a couple of coats of some white chalk paint. So then after everything dries with the base coats, then I took it outside and I spray painted it using some stoneware spray paint that I've used in a couple of previous other projects, but I love the effect that this spray paint gives, and it makes it look a lot more expensive, and it really turns this Valentine's bowl into an everyday bowl that can fit any decor. So for this part of the decor, I'm going to be using some plastic hearts, also from the dollar store, and I'm going to be turning them into some faux stone hearts, and I'm going to be using them as filler for the decorative bowl. You can also use these as just filler items for any other home decor bowls that you have laying around, and I love how these turned out. And so here I'm just gluing both of the halves of the plastic hearts together. They came in like a pack of 4. And so I'm just adding a couple of coats of some white chalk paint, and I'm following the same process after that as I did with the decorative bowl, with taking it outside and spray paint it with some of the stone spray paint. I decided to add some faux moss to the rocks as well because I wanted to have a pop of color. So some of them I added some faux moss to, and then some of the heart rocks I just kept plain. And so for this piece of the decor, I am upgrading this Valentine's Day style heart tin, and I'm going to be creating some more neutral spring decor. And so I'm just using some of this sage chalk paint, and I'm giving it a few coats on the top of the tin and also on the bottom. And then after I get both the top and the bottom painted and everything dries, then I use some of this scrap foam that I had laying around, and I'm just kind of cutting it so I can get the shape of the inside, and then I'm just going to be lining this with the bottom of the tin. And then I completely start covering that bottom foam layer with some of the faux moss. And then I hot glue some of the wood flowers to the inside on top of the faux moss. And for this piece of decor, I'm just going to be using a wooden heart as well as some wood blocks. And I'm going to be making a wood heart tray. And this piece of decor is so easy to do. I'm just starting at the center of the heart, and I'm adding some glue to the bottom of the wood block, and then I'm just following the outline of the heart to go around the entire outside of the heart to create the tray. And then when I get close to closing off the heart, then I just tried to make sure that I was going to be able to fit all of the wood pieces that I wanted to fit in, so that there wasn't going to be any gaps. So here I am just testing it, making sure to see how many that I'm going to need. And then from there, I just glue those rest of those blocks down. Watching, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.